Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through a quick beginner guide on how to use rank tracker. So to get started with a guide on how you can easily use rank tracker. Rank tracker is an all-in-one SEO tools that help you monitor keyword ranking, analyze competitors, and optimize your site for search engine. So to get started, create a project by adding your website and keywords. So you can track ranking across location, devices, and languages. Tools like the SERP checker and keyword finder help you discover high opportunity terms, while the web audit tools point out on the site SEO issues. You can also generate white label report and receive alert when ranking change. The platform's feature is rich but may feel overwhelmed at first, especially for beginners. Some users also report that deep keywords insights like blank link strength or search intent scoring aren't as detailed as more expensive tools like RF or SEMrush. So the platform is worth using if you are a marketer, agencies, and a small business needing an affordable ranking tracking and SEO insight, but not ideal if you are looking for a deep link analysis or a PPC tools. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this SEO tools platform, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.